Hey guys, Anthony Massimino with Remediation 911. Wanted to take an opportunity right now to talk a little bit about Remediation 911 and our capabilities. What differs us from any other remediation or water mitigation company out there is our licensing and our knowledge. So we can handle projects like in a home this size from beginning to end. So here we are in a 13,000 square foot home in Fort Myers. This job was actually given to us by another remediation company.
The challenge with this job was the enormous scope of the project. More than just water damage cleanup or mold remediation, this giant Fort Myers luxury home needed to have window leak testing and a thorough assessment of any hidden water damage from the recent hurricanes in Southwest Florida. Thankfully, the remediation company that was initially hired for this project realized early on that the scope for this water damage job exceeded their capabilities, and they called Remediation 911 to help out. Our first priority was to book a window leak specialist, an industry pioneer that we have done business with hundreds of times, to come and test these gigantic mansion windows. What they found surprised even us.
When it comes to preparing your home for hurricane season, most people think of securing roofs, doors, and storm shutters. But there's one crucial aspect often overlooked: window leak testing. Even if a hurricane never hits, testing your windows for leaks can save you from a host of costly repairs and damage down the road. Why is window leak testing so important? Over time, even small gaps or unsealed areas around windows can allow water to seep in during heavy rains or strong winds. This can lead to mold growth, structural damage, and costly repairs that could have been prevented with a simple test. In regions prone to hurricanes, windows are one of the weakest points of entry for wind-driven rain. That means the smallest flaw could be enough to let water infiltrate your home, leading to long-term moisture damage. Conducting a forensic window leak test not only identifies potential problem areas, but it also provides peace of mind. You'll know your home is fully prepared even if the worst never happens. The test simulates hurricane conditions, pinpointing weaknesses that aren't obvious during regular weather. Identifying these vulnerabilities early allows for repairs that reinforce the integrity of your windows, protecting your home from storm-driven rain and the costly water damage that often follows. Taking preventive action by scheduling a window leak test should be part of your annual hurricane season preparation. Think of it as an insurance policy for your home. Whether or not a hurricane strikes, you'll be safeguarded against water intrusion and the unseen damage it can cause. Window leak testing is a proactive, smart way to ensure your home is as resilient as possible. Whether you're facing hurricane season or the everyday storms that come your way, it's one step you can't afford to skip.
If you're dealing with hurricane damage, we understand how tough it can be. For more informative videos on how to recover and rebuild, please subscribe to our channel. You can also find extensive support and resources on our website, remediation911.com.